Hi everyone, good morning, how are you? Quickly, I'm going to explain what you have to do. This is when you go to your Moodle, this is what's going to appear, Flip Classroom. And here you have several steps. They're short, don't worry. Engage, you go to engage, and you're going to watch a video in which you're going to see my friend. And we have we have 3 questions about what she says. Okay, you go link in what she says. Then the second activity is The second activity is, I'm sorry, is Hercules, the same thing, a video with 3 questions. Then you have review conditions, 0 and first. There's a guy who explains in Spanish. He explains the 0, the first, and all of the conditions. Just focus on 0 and first. Then there's an online activity that you're going to do to practice there. It's an online game. Yes. And then you have review of the adjective ed and ing, which is one of the grammars that we're using, and an online activity. Okay. And finally, you're going to have here a challenge, which is what I told you about the meme. Okay. Thank you very much. I love your energy. Let's do it. If you have any questions, don't worry. Send me a WhatsApp. You got my WhatsApp. And I forgot. Remember to send the audios in the WhatsApp. Okay. Take care. Hugs.